The W.S. Lee Steam Station here is now powered by natural gas, but for decades, the energy was generated by coal coming from this building back here, and with it, nearly 3 million tons of coal ash.
And the floodwaters are rising, and everyone has their fingers crossed.
Hurricane Florence leaving behind a toxic trail.
This is not stuff you want in your water supplies.
Coal ash, a toxic waste filled with mercury, lead, and arsenic, still sits in aging unlined pits along South Carolina waterways.
Move it away from the river.
Leading a coal ash crusade against big energy, senior attorney with the Southern Environmental Law Center, Frank Holloman.
So we need to get this ash out of this irresponsible polluting storage as soon as reasonably possible.
His efforts not in vain. South Carolina leading the Southeast as the only state with plans to empty every one of its coal ash basins. Still,
it's time to pick up the pace. We don't want to be here for the next Hurricane Florence.
And Duke Energy tells me they have tested the water at Sutton Lake where that coal ash recently escaped into. It has not affected or impacted that lake levels. Here at the W.S. Lee Steam Station, they're expected to clean up the coal ash and have the project completed by 2024. Live in Anderson County, Madeline Hackett, WYFF News 4.